Well, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and thankfully we hadn't gone to bed, or else we wouldn't have seen this. And we've actually got about 3 inches of snow on the floor. It's so fine, because it's so cold, it won't reach me. It's just like hitting the floor in a cloud of dust. Careful, sweetie. She's going to go over her ass over top. Oh well, she actually did get me because I was right next to my car when she did it. But as you can see, these are footprints. We've actually got like 3 inches of snow here, which is bizarre. I didn't even know it was going to snow anywhere near like this. And apparently, looking at the weather map, we've got about another 3 or 4 hours of this to come. And this is all falling on top of 2 inches of ice. Awesome! It's going to be fun in the Big D tomorrow. They may shut school for a month. Woohoo, Jamie, almost, because there's the ice underneath the snow. Right there, it's just like solid ice still. It's just glass. Glass, glass, glass. And you cannot make snowballs with this snow at all, because it's so fine.
I don't even know it there.
Yep, it's our one oasis of...
It is a turn. You are gonna have now.
This is just freaking awesome. Oh, we got a car going way too fast. Where's he going, babe? Going ridiculous speed. That is absolutely insane. I hope he crashed.
No? Okay, he already passed my car. Yeah, he did that.
No, he's not past mine yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, almost went. Almost went.
Do you think that's what that fire truck was down there for? Do you think their alarm went off earlier today too?
Whose?
Remember the apartment down there?
Could be, but that was an ambulance earlier. That was an ambulance.
Right.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
That's quick.
I don't know what he's doing.
Come by to pick someone
If
up.
I'm out here much longer, I'm going down. I can feel it.
No, you promise? Don't put that one on YouTube now.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, sorry.
Mummy's gonna hear that one.
No, you're not posting that one.
Well, why am I taking it then?
You're deleting it. You're deleting it.
You're deluded.
Bust that camera open.
Okay. I'm going to enjoy the snow from now on, but you got some idea of... This is amazing. Jamie's still like a snow virgin, really. This is incredible. Bye.